everybody, thanks for tuning in. So today we are taking care of a PS4 Pro HDMI port replacement. It's for next day, so today is that day. I got to get this wrapped up. I prepped it a little too well and the whole port came out, so that's where we're at. So that's where we're going to go ahead and pick up. So if you have patience and you know how to use your resources good enough, you could get the port off without even using a rework station. So, anyhow, we got that off. Let's go ahead and dig in, get this all cleared up. Make sure there's no rip pads. There should not be. And then we could go ahead and get the new port on and take care of business. Alright, so let's go ahead and get these cleared out. Pardon the noise, but you should always use your fume extractor, and if you don't have one, you should get one and use it. Alright, doesn't appear to be any torn pads, so go ahead and get all this sauna cleared up. Put some new sauna on, high quality stuff, test on, and get them back to gaming. Hey, we are back in action. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe as well as smash that bell notification so you do not miss any new videos.